Hello, welcome to the We Are Searching YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook app step by step. First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with three lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Then tap on the settings button from these different options that appear. What we need is the option we will use to enable dark mode on Facebook app. To do this, click on the dark mode option available under the preference section. As you can see, there are two options to activate or deactivate the dark mode. To activate the dark mode, you need to tap on the first option, which is on. Thus, the process of activating the dark mode is completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.